You can connect your chatbot to other channels like Telegram, WhatsApp, or Facebook. To do this, go to the setup area and choose which channel to connect your bot to. Click on the button as shown in the video tutorial and accurately fill in the necessary fields and details. Specifically for the messaging app WhatsApp, you will first need to create a new account on Twilio or Mito. These service providers will allow you to associate a bot with your phone number. The procedure is extremely simple and is written on their official websites, but don't hesitate to contact us at any time for our assistance and support. Now you just need to retrain the system and update the chatbot system. From this moment, your bot will be successfully installed on the channel you have chosen and ready to use.